Allow the feet to go as low as they go. For those not using a wall, sit on a cushion and bring the soles of the feet together. And often for the butterfly, we encourage you to do the long-legged version. Well, for today, you can do a short-legged butterfly. Have your heels as close in as they can come. And if the knees are very high, that's okay. Just relax through the inner legs. If the knees feel a bit tweaked, you can put blocks or supports underneath them. For those using the wall, some people like to just lightly rest their hand on the thighs. We're not pushing, just a little encouragement to allow the inner groins to open. And we'll let the pose do the work. The shape of your body in the posture is magic all on its own. But naturally, the sensation of the pose is going to have some sort of an effect inside. Your mood may have changed. Now tune into the heart space once more. Tune into the music. Cultivate simply being with whatever emotions are arising. Bhava is a big part of the bhakti style of yoga. Bhakti is the yoga of devotion. It's kind of the basic theme of the Bhagavad Gita. Arjuna's love for his friend Krishna. There's 5 kinds of bhava or loves that the spiritual world cultivates. The beginning is the love between a servant to a master. You like your boss. It'd be funny in the West to say, I love my boss, but some people have that feeling. A little deeper, richer is the bhava, the love between friends, good friends, where your friend is Krishna or Jesus or God. The third form is the love of a parent for the child, where the child is God. The stories of baby Krishna, baby Jesus. The fourth is the love of a spouse, a wife for her husband, a husband for his wife, where the wife or the spouse or the husband is God. And then there's the 5th level of love, a deep spiritual crazy love that's not really sanctioned by society. This is the love of Romeo for Juliet and vice versa, where the parents try to get in between the lovers. And all the love and tragedy stories throughout history have really been this 5th form of bhava, love. Now, for those doing the practice without a wall, I invite you to come out of your butterfly and again, just lie down. Let your legs relaxed and enjoy the rebound, the echo of your pose. For those using the wall, we have about 3 more breaths here. And one last breath. And for those using the wall, slowly allow your legs to straighten back up the wall. Pause here for a moment.